Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see how to install Docker Desktop on Windows. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar type Docker, download and press enter. In the search result you have to choose second link, install Docker Desktop on Windows. Simply click on it. Then you will redirect to this page. In here if you are using ARM, go with this option. So here I am going with the first option. Once you click on it, the download process will start. Here I am going to close this because I have already downloaded it, and also I am going to close my browser. So here is the setup I have already downloaded. Once your download is finished, simply double click on it. Then you will get this installation wizard. In here simply click on this OK button. Then Docker Desktop installation will start immediately. Once the installation is finished, click on this close button. Then let's verify the Docker installation. So first press the Windows button and in the search bar type cmd and select command prompt. In the terminal you have to type docker -- version and press enter. So here it is. It's showing the Docker version we installed. So let's close this terminal and look at the Docker Desktop. Here we can see the Docker Desktop. Simply double click on it. Here is the Docker agreement. Simply click on accept. So Docker Desktop installed successfully. So this is the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.